Uwahe shnong jong kalum shnong uma mon lang ladong ulaong baka jingjia ha star cement ha kamit khat pratrik jamang kalong ko bas ngosi na marba uni ubaklat na kanika jingjia uday unong shong shnong kalum shnong halor kanika jingjia na kalyang kabor shnong ulaong bakan budien bat rai khot pelong ya jingalang ha peneng ka star cement bat pulit banyak keren halor kanika jingjia ulaong ru bawat unongnya katrok ru haduk menta udang pet ri bat kipulit kimpat yok kem ula kenturu ekipulet ban shimkhia ban pet tokit benia halor kanika jingjia khanang bantam yakum kanika jingjia hadien habon
nga kamu he snong yang kalom snong mon lang la dong jing ito nin gasngi kajanmet kawa jia astar simen man pendap i da ka jing snasi de ba da mu wi na kilong snong yang wa man driver yang pick up da chayu ha trok simen yang astar simen de man ko snong si kam ka snong ni bat ya boro he jia kami ni jingjia te ke jingjia lor yang kani te ile dang ya bodden ni kam ka chnong ya bo ke meeting we chong meeting wa ka star bat kam jo ya ki wa ki pulit le jing ito kani ka kam le ha kam man ka te petit driver wa yu ni na wa da yak le dang tho ki pulit o wa mem bu chem yo do ne ka sni te ikam ke wa dau lai chakmat ko yuluti wa ki pulit le udang pai dang sli ki he ko kom ke wa to he nang wa na ka por support la ujia kam ni jingjia was nyau si ka duni he khadiak na na le yang to te ke jing klam
uni unongnya ka kali pick up ubala khlat no na kanika jingsha yu kali udai usngau bahas suchang khandai snam karta katba unongnya trok pan dei ubala tip kum usai lang midkhar live khandai snam karta na ka shnong khli tershi management representative star cement Divandar Bansal ulaong bagi negi trok basha thang kidai kiba penya dak NECPL kaba pet yakaket kaba mar ha kanika company baru kinongnya yakini trok kidai kitra jela kani ka jingja kadai na ka jinga khajia unongnya pick up ubasha yu bat unongnya ada ka trok hasurok ba NH6 hajan ka shnong wa ejer hadian ka jingja kabala pelong ya unongnya jong ka pick up lembat ki weipat bakin be thong ya kani ka truck shaduk phalau jong ka star cement dei hadian kani ka jingja kalawan ra ya ka jingklumar ha ka ba upat bhur ulatur bat thang ya ka kali bat penjat penpra ya ka office rekam ka star cement
myself is a management representative from Star Cement. The incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called so all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only, they are operating. So in yesterday's incident I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Kletershi near Jovai and camper driver belongs to Lumsno. So there was some incident happened near Visor I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck was stopped at gate and then after that when it entered, that camper was also in along with the it came and then driver came by foot and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck and he was putting the hand on the in the that glass front mirror and I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside and there was some incident happened he fell down and then truck was already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot and then ambulance was provided, doctor was there, but I think that was not alive or that doctor said it was there and then the truck driver also fled after park the truck in the parking and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered ki what happened, and then that headman, deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to ki their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people, they came, and then they tried to divert the issue from these two. They are taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fear psycho in the plant. They destroy the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fear psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that all the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter. Yesterday incident, around 16 trucks are, I think 15 to 16 are burned, and then some are little bit damaged, some are badly damaged. So I think 10-11 are around some damage, and then 10 more might be little bit damaged. So total damage is around 25, I think 24, 25. Exactly number is yet to receive. Number of computer system that damaged the chairs, office chairs, and then all room is computers are destroyed, cameras are destroyed, and phone were there. All things are in so all whatever we have CCTV footage, the police has checked yesterday night, and they have taken all the footage as per their investigation required.